Hi, I'm Heather Jenkins from Hand2Mind. Welcome to the 4th grade, week 1, day 4 literacy video. So you're probably wondering why I have a hard hat on. Well, that's because my kids and I are building houses. Not with wooden nails, but we're building houses with blocks. Did you know that you can build words too? Just like you can put two blocks together to make something new, you can take different word parts and put them together to make new words. Join me today as we learn all about prefixes and suffixes. In today's lesson, we're going to learn all about prefixes and suffixes. Do you know what a prefix or a suffix is? Well, let's find out more about them. We'll start with prefixes. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a root word. A root word is a word that can be added onto to make new words, like the word happy. A prefix is a word part we can add to the front of a root word. We can add the prefix un to the root word happy. Our new word is unhappy. This means not happy. Let's look at some other prefixes. Prefix miss means not. What do you think this word means? Misunderstand. In this word, the root word is understand, which means that you've learned something and you're able to do or explain it. But when you add the prefix miss to it, now it means not understand, which means you don't get something, you're not able to do it or explain it, you're not able to understand it. For example, did you misunderstand the directions on the test? If you misunderstand the directions on the test, it means you probably did not know what to do on the test. Pre is another prefix, and it means before. What do you think this word means? Preheat. In this word, the root word is heat, which means to make warm. But when you add the prefix pre to it, now it means to heat before. For example, you must preheat the oven before you bake your cookies. A lot of times when you cook, you have to turn the oven on beforehand so that it heats up before you put your cookies or whatever you're baking into it. The prefix re means again. What do you think this word means? Rebuild. In this word, the root word is build, which means to construct or put together. But when you add the prefix re in front of it, it means to build again. For example, a little girl had to rebuild her block tower after it fell over. If your block tower fell over, you would have to build it again. Prefix by means to. What do you think this word means? Bicycle. In this word, the root word is cycle, which usually means a wheel or something circular. When you add the prefix in front of it, it means two wheels. For example, Raul rode his bicycle to the park after school. A bicycle is something that you ride that has two wheels. The prefix sub means under. What do you think this word means? Submarine. In this word, the root is marine, which usually means having something to do with water. But when you add the prefix sub to it, it's something that's under water. A submarine is a vessel or a ship that goes underwater. For example, submarine goes deeper in the ocean. Now let's take a look at suffixes. A suffix is a word part added to the end of a root word. If we have a root word like cheer, we can add a suffix to it at the end. Suffix is a word part that we can add to the end of a root word, such as full. A new word would be cheerful or full of cheer. Let's look at some other suffixes we can add to our root words. The suffix means a person who, like a person who does something. What do you think this word means? Player. The root word is play, which means like you're playing a sport or you're playing a game. When we add the suffix to it, it means a person who plays. For example, a baseball player practiced hitting the ball. In this case, a player is somebody that's playing baseball. The suffix able means able to or can. What do you think this word means? Agreeable. In this word, the root word is agree, which means that you want to solve a problem or you want to work together or you say, yes, this is what we're going to do. When we add the suffix able to it, it means that you are able to or that you can agree. For example, the plan was agreeable to everyone on the team. That means that everyone on the team agreed to either do or create this plan. Suffix less means without. What do you think this word means? Fearless. The root word in this word is fear, which means if you're really afraid of something. But when you add the suffix less to it, now it means without fear. For example, Joe was fearless when he jumped off the diving board. I don't know about you, but I'm really afraid of heights, so I would definitely have to be fearless to jump off a diving board. In this lesson, we learned a number of prefixes and suffixes, such as miss, pre, re, by, sub, able, less. Now, can you think of any other words that have these prefixes or suffixes? Great. Now, I have a special challenge for you. After this video, make a comic strip. Use 3 words with prefixes or suffixes from today's lesson in your comic strip. Thank you for watching this video about prefixes and suffixes. If you would like to practice using your prefixes or suffixes even more, please visit our website to download, print, and complete additional activities. Have a great day!